we studied about cylinder, cone, sphere. These three topics we completed. All these objects we call them as, in general we call them as prism. Prism means these are the examples of prism. For a prism, volume of any prism formula is base area into height. Prism examples are cylinder, cone, sphere, cube, cuboid. All these are examples of prism. For a prism, volume of the prism is base area into height. If the base is a triangle, area of the triangle into height. If the base is a rhombus, area of the rhombus into height. If the base is an equilateral triangle, area of an equilateral triangle into height. That gives volume. So volume of a prism means base area into height. Base we have to see, so it is in which shape. If it is a sphere, if it is a, that is a triangle, area of the triangle. If it is a rhombus, area of the rhombus into height. Let us do some problems based on prism. First one. The base of a prism is an equilateral triangle whose side is 8 centimeters and height is 12 centimeters. Find its volume. The base of a prism is an equilateral triangle whose side is 8 centimeters and height is 12 centimeters. Find its volume. Here one prism is there whose base is like an equilateral triangle, so we have to find volume of the prism. So volume of a prism formula is base area into height. So this is the formula for finding volume of a prism, base area into height. If the base is an equilateral triangle, area of the equilateral triangle, that is equilateral triangle area into height. Area of the equilateral triangle is given by the formula root 3 by 4 a square into height of the prism. So base area is, base is an equilateral triangle, its area into height. Root 3 by 4 a square into height. So it is root 3 by 4. Side of the equilateral triangle is given as 8. So 8 square, height is 12. 4 3s are 12. Root 3 into 8 square is 64 into 3. This is volume of the prism. So volume of the prism formula is base area into height. If the base is an equilateral triangle area into height. Area of the equilateral triangle is given by the formula root 3 by 4 a square into height. So here side of the equilateral triangle is given as 8. So 8 square into height is 12. Then we will get 192 root 3 centimeter cube. Write the second problem. The base of a prism is a rhombus whose diagonals are 28 centimeters and 96 centimeters. Height of the prism is 32 centimeters. Find its volume. The base of a prism is a rhombus whose diagonals are the base of a prism is a rhombus whose diagonals are 28 centimeters and 96 centimeters. Height of the prism is 32 centimeters. Find its volume. Here prism base is a rhombus. Area of the rhombus formula is half d1 d2. Diagonals are given here. Height of the prism is 32 centimeters. We should find volume of the prism. Now volume of a prism formula is base area into height. Volume of a prism formula is base area into height. Here base is an equilateral triangle. Sorry, base is a rhombus. So first we have to find area of rhombus into height. Area of the rhombus is given by the formula half d1 d2. Height of the prism is h. Half d1 diagonals of the rhombus are 28 and 96. Height of the rhombus is 32. 2 16s. So we get 28 into 96 into 16. So volume of the prism is 43,008 centimeter cube, cubic centimeters. Here for a prism base is a rhombus whose diagonals are 28 and 96. Height of the prism is given. We should find volume of the prism. Volume of any prism formula is base area into height. Base is a rhombus, so area of the rhombus into height. Area of the rhombus formula is half d1 d2 into height. Here if you substitute diagonals and height, we will get the volume of a prism. 43,008 cubic centimeters. Right, next problem. Find the volume of a regular hexagonal prism of side. Find the volume of a regular hexagonal prism of side 30 centimeters and height 6 centimeters. We should find volume of a regular hexagonal prism. Regular hexagonal prism means base of a prism is a regular hexagon. Hexagon means 6-sided figure. So first let us write the formula for volume of a prism. Volume of a prism formula is base area into height. Base is a regular hexagonal prism, therefore base area means area of regular hexagon Hexagonal, regular hexagonal prism means base is a regular hexagon. Hexagon means six-sided figure. If all the six sides are equal, we call it as regular hexagon. Regular means all the six sides are equal. So base is a regular hexagon means base is a six-sided figure whose all the six sides are equal. So area of the base area means area of the regular hexagon. Area of the regular hexagon is given by 6 root 3 by 4 a square. This is the formula to find out area of regular hexagon into height. That is 6 into root 3 a square. Side of the regular hexagon is given as 30. So 30 square into height is 6. So 6 into root 3 by 4. 30 square is 900 into 6. 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 9 is 81. So volume of a regular hexagonal prism we got 8100 centimeter cube. 6 root 3 by 4 a square into height. Height is 6 centimeters. So 6 into root 3 by 4 a side of the regular hexagon is 30 centimeters. So 30 square, height is 6. 6 into root 3 by 30 square is 900 into 6. 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 6. So 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 9 is 8100 into root 3 centimeter cube. Right, next question. The sides of a triangular prism are the sides of a triangular prism are 12 centimeters, 16 centimeters and 20 centimeters. Its height is 15 centimeters. Find LSA and PSA. Find LSA and PSA of the prism. So here triangular prism means base is a triangle. For a triangle, three sides are there, three sides are given. Let us suppose sides of the triangle are A, B, C 12 centimeters, B 16 centimeters, C is 20 centimeters. These are the three sides of the base. Base is a triangle. These are the three sides of the base. Now, first we have to find perimeter of the base. Base is a triangle, so perimeter of the triangle we have to find. Perimeter of the triangle is nothing but sum of all the three sides is called perimeter. So 12 plus 16 plus 20. This is 36, 48 centimeters. This is perimeter of the base, perimeter of the triangle. Sum of all the three sides, 12 plus 16 plus 20. 12 plus 16 is 28 plus 20, 48 centimeters. Now, LSA of a prism. LSA of a prism formula is perimeter of the base into height. into H. This is perimeter P. So perimeter is 48. Height of the prism is given as 15. This is lateral surface area of the prism. Lateral surface area of the prism formula is perimeter of the base into height. Perimeter of the triangle we got 48, height is 15. So if you multiply, you get 720 centimeters square. Now let us find out base area. Base area means area of triangle. If all the three sides are there, different sides, then area of the triangle formula is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is a semi-perimeter, perimeter by 2. S is called semi-perimeter. Perimeter we got a plus b plus c, we got 48. So s means semi-perimeter, 48 by 2. That is 24, that is s. So here let us substitute. Area of the triangle is equal to root of s into 24 into 24 minus 12. This is 24 minus 16, 24 minus 20. 24 minus 12 is 12, 24 minus 16 is 8, 24 minus this is 4. So area of the triangle is equal to, this 24 I am writing like this, 2 into 12. This 8 you write it as 2 into 4, so that we can take the square root easily. For 2 into 2 square root is 2, for 12 into 12 square root is 12, 4 into 4 square root is 4, 12 4s are 48 into 2, 96. This is area of the triangle. So if area of the triangle is 96, we got now total surface area of a prism. Total surface area is equal to lateral surface area plus 2 into base area. This is the formula for total surface area of the prism. Total surface area of the prism is equal to lateral surface area plus 2 into base area. Here lateral surface area is, we got 720 plus 2 into base area is 96. So 720 plus so total surface area of the prism we got 912 centimeters square. So once again listen, a prism has a base that is in the shape of a triangle. For a triangle, three sides are given. Height of the prism is given. We should find LSA and TSA. LSA of the prism formula is perimeter of the base into height. TSA of the prism formula is base area into height. TSA of the prism is base area into height. The TSA of the prism is LSA plus 2 into base area. So first what we will do is perimeter of the base we will find out, perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter means sum of the three sides is called perimeter, so we got 48. After getting perimeter, LSA of the prism means perimeter of the base into height. So P into H, we got 720. Now base area means area of the triangle. Area of the triangle formula is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is called semi-perimeter. Perimeter by 2 is called S. That we got 24. So here if you substitute S, A, B, C values, we are getting area of the triangle as 96. If you know area of the triangle, total surface area of the prism is equal to lateral surface area plus 2 into base area, that is 720 plus 2 into 96, we got 912 centimeters square. Thank you.